Today we got another mystery, and it's a true mystery. We have no idea what's inside this box, and we're excited to see what's inside.
Yes, we are. I mean, it is a loot crate. It's the normal loot crate, but a loot crate nonetheless, and I don't know what to expect. We're just going to open it.
Yeah, we had done one before, and we really liked it. So here we have the next one, and let's get into it. Let's open this thing up and see what we got.
Yes. Okay, so we need a knife.
I'll get it.
I'm not trustworthy anymore.
I'll let you open it though.
Okay,
That excitement.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate that.
No problem.
Ooh. Get some nice yellow in there. Hey-o. First of all, we get a shirt.
Nice.
I think I'm liking the shirt so far.
Oh,
that's cool.
I'm gonna have to take that. Ooh.
You haven't seen the new movie yet, so you don't know. He
He's
hasn't seen the movie.
got me
I just
there.
asked him about it too.
Yeah. Shame on me. Dang it. You're gonna maybe beat me there. We got a little character here. It's pretty big, actually.
Oh, that's cool. See, that's a movie I haven't seen.
You haven't seen Lord of the Rings?
I have never seen Lord of the Rings.
And he's bashing me for not seeing the Avengers?
Well, that's everyone's seen the Avengers. Okay, if you haven't seen the Avengers, let us know in the comments right now, because everyone's seen the Avengers as of right now.
Okay, and if you haven't seen Lord of the Rings, also put that down there.
Oh no, that's a battle.
We got a loot crate pen.
Oh, that's cool.
The Dark Crystal. Okay, I don't know what that is.
I have never heard of the Dark Crystal. I can't tell you what that is. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Ooh, it's Zelda map of Hyrule.
Ooh.
Am I saying that right? Hyrule? Right? Pretty sure.
I'm horrible at pronunciations.
I love Zelda. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I played them all. But I just want to make sure I was saying that right.
And we got like a little post-it here about what we got. It's kind of nice.
Yeah.
And then of course we have the box. Let's actually start with the box.
I already know what the box is.
It looks
Of course,
cool.
this guy doesn't.
I can tell what it is.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Let's
Okay.
put this together.
Let's put this together. Okay.
So let's get this stuff out of the way for right now.
Yes. How do you get it apart?
I don't know.
There's like a little thing.
I love how they use the box and make it, into something itself.
It's really cool if you can figure out how to open it.
This is why you have me here, right?
Manhandle. I can figure that one out.
Remember everything opposite of what it was.
Close it. Wait, this has to go. Everything opposite, Tyler.
Heed my own words, huh?
This is an awesome loot crate. I'm stoked on this one.
Don't get me wrong, though. I really do like the Avengers. I haven't gone and seen it yet, so.
The theater's too crowded, right?
That's right.
Exactly.
The handle's not working right. Oh, well, it would help if I put the handle in there. Or gotta fold it over. There we go. I'm gonna put it on the right hand.
Yeah! Now when you see, you know what? Take this with you when you go see the movie. You'd be the coolest guy there.
You're right.
Right?
I'm gonna take this with me to the movies. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna hold it and eat popcorn.
Yes. People will be like, where'd you get that? Oh, loot crate.
Oh yeah.
I want one. Well,
Oh,
too
yeah.
bad, because you can't just get it. This is
break
actually
our
the
table.
coolest one. Yeah. It actually feels like I have the glove on almost.
All right.
Alright,
Let's see what else we get.
Let's start with Zelda.
Zelda.
Ooh.
What do we get? We got a map.
Gotta have a map.
You gotta know where we're going, right?
Exactly.
Ooh.
Okay,
It's like-
here we go.
This is like
So this
interesting
is
paper.
You know what? I had to double take that. It's like,
It smells a little funky.
yeah, it does. I don't know what to say that is.
Wow.
So this is the new map. This is the Breath of the Wild map right here. See, that's where the desert is. You got the volcano over here. You got everything.
Sweet.
I like it. It's a little small, but it is really, like I said, that is cool paper.
Yeah, it's
I like
interesting.
that.
It's
Is
like
it waterproof? I wonder.
yeah, it almost seems like it's waterproof. It doesn't say or anything, but
There's your scroll.
To the north, my king.
Let's bust out the shirt. I like that shirt a lot. That's actually really cool. I mean, it's almost a little, it's cartoonish, kind of kiddish, probably more based off the comics than anything.
I'm a kid, dude.
Oh, hey, you know what? He's gonna wear the shirt,
See? Look at that.
and he's gonna wear the glove, and he's just gonna be the coolest guy there.
All right, what's next? Let's go.
Let's do this. Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the
Now
Rings.
I'm gonna go see Lord of the Rings in my home, and I'm gonna carry this guy with me.
You trying to one up me or something? You can't one up this.
Dang it. Okay, what do we got here? I need a no. Sharp nails.
Wonder Woman over here.
Oh god. Thanks. More like the Hulk, guys. I mean, come on.
Oh, if you were the Hulk, you would have just tore it open, but use your nails.
Oh, okay. Wow. Smells brand new, like plasticky. Is that a stand for it?
It is.
You
I would
don't need
help
a
you,
stand-
but I have
Look
this
at
on
his
my
big
hand.
feet. You don't need a.
You stand corrected.
You don't need a stand for his big feet.
Dude, that is sweet. I mean, I like, it's like a cartoony kind of look of him, but it looks really cool.
It does look really cool. It's really well painted, like malleable plastic, all sorts of different plastics. Wow. One stand, one peg.
There you go. That's all you need. One peg.
Gee, that really goes in there. Okay, you're right. That's all you need is one peg.
Yeah.
Wow. Dun dun dun. Who is that guy? No, please explain to me. Talk to me. What am I looking at?
We got Frodo here. And he's got his sword and the ring.
The
Is
cape?
that the ring? It looks like the ring.
Is it the ring?
Yeah, he's got the ring on the chain there. And he's got the
Ah.
cape. Sweet.
That's Frodo, and I don't know who Frodo is, so I don't know.
Well, that's why you gotta watch the movie.
I gotta watch the movie now. See it? He's gonna
Yeah.
be in my hand just
You
like
can have that, and I got this stuff.
I can pet him, and he can watch the movie. He's my little companion. And when I see him, I can be like, hey, look, dude, that's you!
I don't know how much longer I can hold on to this thing. It's very hard. I only have one hand.
The Dark Crystal. What in the world is the Dark Crystal?
Very good question. It looks very interesting.
We're gonna get a ton of comments about this. You idiot!
You don't know what that is?
You don't know who Frodo is? It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great, guys. Thank you.
This,
Making fun of me. Wonder Woman, huh? Oh, okay.
see? Like the Hulk, right?
Oh,
Using my teeth.
exactly like the Hulk.
Ooh, those smell interesting. Smells like a brand new.
Like a brand new book. Smells like a brand new book. These are cards. Like literal cards.
They are. Yeah, look, they come with envelopes. What are they,
Envelopes?
like invitations?
Yeah, what is this?
Oh, they're note cards.
Note cards with envelopes. I really wish I knew what the Dark Crystal is. See, I know some things, he knows other things, but then there's things together we don't know.
That's why we have the internet, right?
This is why we have the internet. It's a movie.
1982. Well, no wonder why we don't know about it.
Yeah. Born in 93, folks.
A little older than us.
Maybe we gotta go watch that classic.
Yeah.
Don't get mad at me for calling it a classic. It's older than me. 90s was 20 years ago. Come on.
Get to the last thing there. What do we got?
We got a cup, and it's a loot pen crate pen.
What's it from?
Cup. I don't know. What is this from? The other one was Galaga.
Yeah, and it said
Our last loot crate was Galaga, and you didn't know what Galaga was, and I still can't believe that.
No, it's just a cup with, and it has a little loot crate symbol on it.
If that's from Harry Potter, I'm gonna be so mad right now. I love Harry Potter, but I feel like that's from Harry Potter.
It really does kind of like look
Like the Wizard's Cup or something. I'm
the
gonna
Tri-Wizard Cup. Yeah,
the Tri-Wizard
It kind
Cup.
of reminded me of the Tri-Wizard Cup, but the Tri-Wizard Cup looks a little different. But it kind of has that like
What is that design in the middle?
that look. That's the loot crate symbol.
It's a loot crate. It's a loot crate. Tri-Wizard
Cup.
There we go.
All right. Well,
Okay.
so there we go. We got everything here. We know most of what it is, but we definitely don't know what the Dark Crystal is. But that's kind of what Loot Crate is. It's a little bit of everything.
Exactly. It's just random. You don't know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you're not gonna know what the heck it is, and it causes you to go, hey, look it up.
See what it is.
Yeah, learn something new.
Yeah, nothing wrong with learning something new. But we do get Zelda. We know that. We got Lord of the Rings. We know that.
Got Thanos and the glove.
Avengers.
Avengers.
We know that. And the pin, which
We think is the Triwizard Cup that has a Loot Crate symbol on it.
are horrible, yeah.
If you know what it is, let us know, please, because I'm kind of dying to figure this one out.
But it might just be something generic. So if you'd like to check out Loot Crate yourself, we'll have a link down below in the description. Again, we are still going to get some of those other Loot Crates. We're waiting to get them. So we can check out things like the Harry Potter, Firefly. What else was there?
This Fallout.
So we definitely want to get those still. We're working on it. So definitely keep an eye out for those other videos if you're interested in Loot Crate at all. Thanks for watching, and Thanos out.